we'll just see if we can clean some of this debris real quick just to give you guys a good idea of something that you hear us talk about a lot. So, here is a valley. Okay? And essentially what'll happen, and just don't mind the debris, but what'll happen in a circumstance like this is that we have a higher plane here. And you have this higher plane, right? It's going to take water and disperse down onto this lower plane, into this valley, right? Water's going to travel the valley down to the gutters, down to the downspouts. So always, when you're running shingles, you want to run on the lower plane first, right? And they'll start from the bottom and they'll shingle up. But with regards to the valley, when they get to the valley and they run this layer will continue to run up anywhere from about 18 to 24 inches up the higher plane wall, okay? And then we won't set any tacks within 10 inches of the valley, right, on the strong side, because we know that the valley is a high water traffic area and we don't want water penetrating where we have tack holes. And same thing, when we wrap up between 1.5 feet or 2 feet up the higher plane, the tack will be set at the top there. And basically what we're ensuring at that point is that when we have water hitting the top plane, it will disperse to the bottom, right? And even in a circumstance where water came down that slope and say we had a heavy wind blowing from this direction that was kind of pushing that rain back up that higher plane wall, we have an additional 2 feet of overlap. So there's not going to be any way for moisture or rain or snow or anything like that to work its way back up that high up the wall to then get behind that layer. So that is the proper way, you know, to fix your valleys. And then we just simply use a striker, quick strike, nice clean lines. And that is the story as far as the valleys go. So that's how you could expect to see an installation on any roof that we do. You would think that that would be common, but you'd be surprised how many times we do inspections and find the valleys ran the opposite way. So